Do you ever get home, you have your hands full, arms full, you have so much stuff and you don't know what to do with it all and you end up just piling it all on the counter? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a system that I set up at my mom's house that makes coming home a breeze, so stay tuned. Dive in. My name is Lindsay and on my channel my goal is to give you tips and tricks that can help make your space function so much easier for you on a Dollar Tree budget. If you're a Dollar Tree fanatic like I am, you're going to want to make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any other videos. The command center. So you might be thinking, what is that? Well, I'm going to show you how we set up a command center that makes coming home so much smoother. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is think about what you need when you come home. Do you need somewhere to put your keys, charge your phone, put your mail? We chatted to see what kind of system she needed and created something that's going to make coming home so much easier for her. So let me show you what we did. They already had this bookshelf and this island in this space, so it made perfect sense as this is their garage door where they come in every single day. It made sense just to turn this into a command center for them as kind of like a drop zone. So previously my mom was using this piece as storage for all of her purses, but we actually relocated those. You want to make sure that all of your stuff has a home. If it has a home, you're going to know exactly where it is. Instead of constantly losing your keys, you're going to know that they are on the hook right over here. Actually, this hook we stole from the closet directly across the room. It was being used previously to hang up some cleaning supplies that were no longer in use, so we simply just relocated it. Make sure that as you're coming up with your system that you're shopping your house, because we're trying to keep the budget tight, but that doesn't mean that you need to sacrifice your system. So all these baskets up here were from the Dollar Tree, where else? And right now she's only utilizing 2 of them. This was the biggest investment piece. This was $30 from Marshall's, but it is a super solid piece and it serves many different functions. There's actually still room to grow where they can put additional things. So in this command center, they wanted somewhere where they could put all of their bills, action things, and things to file. So we just put some file folders together and then also created a charging station for her laptop and phone. So this hack I've showed before. I love using the poster putty from the Dollar Tree just to hold these little drawer dividers in place, so that way as you're opening and closing the drawer, nothing will slide about. So my mom likes to switch up her handbags, and so what she actually likes to do is move things from bag to bag. So we created a whole drawer just designated for things that she likes to put in her handbag. So we have all of her like sunglasses, an umbrella, all of her extra makeup and different hand sanitizers, all that kind of stuff, easily accessible, so that way when she goes to get ready for the day, she can just easily pull out the drawer and grab what she wants and go. I again use that poster putty from the Dollar Tree to keep these drawer dividers secured. Down here is where she is currently storing her briefcase and her work bag, which has all of her like notebooks, that kind of stuff. And then on this side of the cupboard, this thing is amazing if you are one that likes to keep your grocery sacks but hate having them scattered throughout your entire house. This, you can simply plop them all in and grab them out when you need it. And then on the side of the cupboard, you see we just added a 3-on hook so she can hang her everyday purse right here for easy access. So are you a fellow Costco lover? Well, you're going to want to implement one of these systems in your own home. My mom's house, they had an extra closet in their laundry room that they were just using for some like out of season clothing and jackets and that kind of stuff, but we ended up finding a different home for that stuff. Freed up this entire closet to be able to be utilized as a Costco corner. So let me show you what we ended up doing. I actually stole these shelves from another room that I actually reworked that whole room. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. It's a man cave slash guest room. So what we did was we just put these shelves in here, which created a whole Costco area. All of these bins that you see we found at the Dollar Tree, so hello, budget friendly. Each of these bins you'll see they just have extra like beverages, things that they always are buying and keeping extra stock of. And this entire bottom area is freed up, as right now they're a little bit low on the stuff that they normally keep in here. So they're gonna be filling this up soon with all of their Costco orders. The nice thing about keeping all of these items in these bins is that if they need to restock, for example, a bottle of waters, if they're gonna be having people over, they can literally take this basket and bring it to their kitchen where they store all their water bottles. I actually took this vacuum from across the room in the command center area and moved it over here as it was a perfect spot for it. Keep the door shut, but there was already an outlet in here which made it perfect. So she's just got her vacuum and her steamer in here. So on the very top shelf they had space where they could keep all their light bulbs, batteries, and some extra supplies. I love how this space turned out. We found so much extra storage space for them, so don't be afraid to rethink a space. So did you happen to catch the sneak peek that I gave of this closet over on my Instagram? If not, you may want to head on over and check me out on Instagram so you could potentially see what my next project is. For more Dollar Tree inspired tips and tricks, make sure you check out the videos on your screen right now. We'll catch you guys next time.